Hello everyone, my name is Courtney Ballou and today I have a very special unboxing. So I thought I had some kind of party hat to wear for this, but I don't. So I'm going to wear my Alice in Wonderland unbirthday hat because it is not quite my birthday, but this is my birthday box. So I got a Magical AF box from Magic at Your Door, which is a $300 box, but they are changing how the box will cost, so I think there's going to be shipping added on at some point. So let's see what's in this box. I do see right on the top, it's very colorful. Right on the top is a little happy birthday message. Happy birthday from your friends at Magic at the Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and all your wishes will come true. And it does have the dude emblem from the box, so he does look like a unicorn with the Magical AF box. And then the other thing they include, I see something peeking out already, they include a little price guide, because when you're in Disney they usually just show like a color tag instead of a price tag, so this is the color guide for what price that item is. My box kind of showing here, but all right, let's see if I can show it. Look at all the pretty colors. Did you see what's on top? It's an ink and paint ear. The ink and paint ears were on my wish list. Uh-oh. Got all kind of foozles in here. And I believe, are these $29.99?
Yes.
And they've got, this flap keeps getting in the way. They've got like the characters are drawn and then they have like the paint colors over top of them. And then it's got like the color palette and a couple brushes. I might switch that out. I believe these are the only pair of ears that I put on my wish list. I think those are good. I think this flap is going to be an issue. Keeps popping up. What's that? Oh my gosh! It's a Cars hat! It says Cars Land and then the oil pan open. I do love baseball caps. I wear caps all the time.
They have color.
Huh? That is $19.95. I do see a red box in here, so I'm gonna try to avoid that. There's all kinds of boxes in here. I found a Mad Hatter. I know. So, Loungefly came out with a Mad Hatter bag, and I think we were shopping that day, so I couldn't like take a break and order it at any point. So I ended up getting home and they were already sold out. So Magic at Your Door had it on their wish list, and I was super excited because I really wanted him. So here's the Mad Hatter. And he's got a pocket in the front. There's a lot of foozles in him.
That should be fun.
Yeah. There's some foam in there, and oh, that's interesting. So the inside on the back part is the green from the outside, but then in the front is the teacup pattern. And I'm sure he's probably stuffed. Ooh, I got a silver pouch in him. So we always save the silver pouch for the end. What is that?
How much is he?
I believe he's 75. Yes, $75. some very interesting socks in here. They're like tie-dyed. It's gonna be in the way. But he's got more in them. It's got Mickey and Pluto on them, which it was just Pluto's birthday. So I like those. I don't see a price on them though.
No color.
Nope.
Socks are usually 10 to $12.99.
10 to $12.99.
Usually.
I got a Baymax. Little stuffed Baymax. And he is $12.95. He's kind of soft too. Are you not paying attention over there?
No.
I can go back if I need to. Feel him though. He's very soft. I also got a little Anna keychain. And I don't think I've talked about Anna on my channel yet, but Anna has her like gray strip in her hair that she gets from Elsa. And I actually have a gray strip in my hair too. So everybody calls me Anna. And this one is teal.
Teal is $12.99.
Which is $12.99. And then I have another little story to go here. So if you watched my mom unbox her birthday box, she got a Mad Hatter Jim Shore. And she has claimed that Jim Shore until she gets something that she wants. So there's a Minnie Mouse wallet to go with her mini backpack, so I can have my Jim Shore now. And she is $40. Let's see if I can get her out here. And it's just Minnie's head with her hat and her flower, and then it's polka dot on the back, and then on the inside it's all black. So there's your wallet,
There's your Jim Shore.
and I now have my Jim Shore.
Out
I
of
don't know.
postage.
Can I try to show the inside a little bit better there? That's a little better, of the teacup pattern. Alright, you took my box away from me though. I think our table needs to be a little bigger. Alright. What else is in here? I don't know if I should go for this. There's a cardboard box and there's a Jim Shore. I think that's all that's left in here. Let me grab this cardboard box. Got foozles all over the place.
And it's a month.
I don't know. I don't think I put mugs on mine because I do have a mug addiction. I have lots of Disney mugs already. And it is a mug. It's an Olaf mug.
I love warm hugs.
So there's Olaf's face, and then the handle is like his arm, and it's got like a snowflake pattern on it. And he is $16.95. You know what? Is that a Jim Shore? Might be a Miss Mindy.
Don't look.
No, it is a Jim Shore. Okay. Alright, should I do the Jim Shore or should I do the
the Jim
pouch?
Shore.
Make sure there's nothing else in there. There's a lot of foozles. Trying to think of what I had on my list.
I don't see anything.
Trying to push the box back so I don't see it. I thought maybe. So, both Mom and I have Winnie the Pooh as one of our favorite things, our favorite movies and characters. And so the reason is Mom loved Winnie the Pooh. My nursery was themed Winnie the Pooh. And I remember almost every night we read a Winnie the Pooh chapter book that was very old. So we both absolutely love Winnie the Pooh. So I'm sure we're going to fight over this.
And the whole gang, not just Winnie the Pooh.
Yes.
We don't know how much he is.
I tossed his box over there. But it's Eeyore and Winnie the Pooh with his little honey pot, and Tigger, and then Piglet is on the top. I got it. Because I got to get the name off it too. And it's called Built by Friendship. He's 65. Alright, so the last thing is my silver pouch. Ooh, got a jewelry box. I got some earrings. They are sterling silver Mickey head earrings. And they are $49.99. Then I also got a pin pack. Do they not tell on them what they are?
On the back.
It says a collection of 16 designs. I think it's couples.
Show the picture of the back.
It's kind of folded over is the problem. So I don't know if you can see them all on there. Trying to get it to unfold. There. There's all the different characters. And these are $27.99. Alright, who do we want? Definitely Mickey and Minnie. Oh, I don't know. Who do you want? Maybe Beauty and the Beast too? I saw Donald and Daisy on there.
Peter Pan and Tink.
Peter Pan and Tinkerbell.
Or Beauty and the Beast or Donald and Daisy.
Mm-hmm.
I think those would be the favorites.
Alright. I think I have to cut this open. And I believe they come in... Ooh, they don't come in black bags in these. They're just random pins. So the first one is Tangled. It's Rapunzel and Flynn.
How many do you get?
Hmm?
2 or 3?
I think it's 5.
Oh,
Yeah, 5.
wow.
Uh-oh. I got 2 stuck together.
Don't peek.
I got the Queen of Hearts. Love Alice in Wonderland. Is this... I know everybody's going to be mad at me for this one. Thomas O'Malley and Duchess, I believe.
I think so.
Donald and Daisy.
Aww.
And who's the last one? I don't know who the ones are from Robin Hood. But it's Robin Hood.
Oh, yeah. I don't know their names. I didn't
All right.
watch that one.
You got a count over there, or do we need to pause and...
It is $348.26 without the socks because we don't know the price on the socks.
$328,
No, $348.
$348,
26.
26.
And that's probably about $10 or $12.
And
for the
that's
box.
without the socks because we don't have a price on the socks. And I paid $300 for this box. I am so happy. There is so much in this box. And I love it all.
What's
Thank
your
you
favorite?
so much, Mike and 001 and everyone else at Magic at Your Door. This is probably the best birthday box I'll ever get. So thank you.